In a period of 4 years, 3 members left the band. Two.
No. We've had some member changes, so it's always been Scott and I.
Yeah.
And then we've had different bass and drums. But Mike on drums joined pretty much like 6 months after the band started, so he's been in for a while. And then, Andrew, our original bass player, ended up leaving after about 2 years in the band, because he was doing graphic design, and he does like all of our album art and website and merch and everything. And then as our band was getting more popular, his graphic design company was also doing really well, so we were touring more and he was getting busier with work, so we had to choose between the two. But he's still like very much a part of the band. Like, he still does all of our graphic design. He still helps out. He actually came on the British leg of the tour to just come and hang out and tour with us, so he's still like one of my best friends. So I count him as like the fifth like bat.
Fifth Beatle, fifth band.
Yeah, exactly. And then we had a fill-in bass player for a little bit because we had so many tours booked. When Andrew left the band, and then when we recorded Hail Destroyer, that's when we got Jay Schwartzer, who plays with us now, and he's awesome. So yeah, his spot is pretty solidified within the group. Just like great dude and amazing player. So yeah, we're all stoked.
Did those changes affect the band, or?
Yeah, because I feel like, getting Mike in the band, like, he was a lot stronger drummer, so we were able to do more things. And then same with like having Jay in the band, like, he is a stronger player. And that was our main thing, was when we were writing all of the parts for Hail Destroyer, we knew we needed someone to be a lot more solid with all these parts to play. And Jay was already like an incredible guitar player, so it was just a matter of, asking him to come out, and then he was able to take on that role, which is wicked too, because like he was awesome at bass, and then has now also like come up in terms of like doing backup vocals and helping me sing with a lot of the parts. So like adding his own voice onto a lot of the parts that isn't even there like on the record. But like when you see us live now, I feel like it's almost more powerful, like having Jay and I sing a lot of stuff. So it's awesome that way, that just kind of worked out. Like, we weren't even planning on that, and then he just is comfortable singing and playing, so was able to push that as well. So I was just like, yeah, this rules. And he headbangs really hard, so that helps.
Yeah. During the show, you scream a lot. Do you never have a sore throat?
My voice is a little bit rough right now. I don't know if you can hear it. But yeah, this is probably as strained as I get. Because we play so much, I kind of like, my voice just got used to it. And I warm up a lot. Like, I'm trying not to lose my voice, and have learned how to not do that now, just because we've been touring as much as we have, so.
How do you warm up? Scream in your dressing room? Or?
No, it's a lot. There's like vocal warm-ups you can do that's like humming and stuff like that, so it's like kind of like just getting your throat used to that, like a abrasive, noise that'll be coming out. And then I stretch a lot just because we move around as much as we do, so it's nice to like be limber. I'm old too. I'm like 28, so it's good to stretch. Probably stretch before you work. I stretch before I work. Very cardiovascular, Don't want to pull something. Especially, I think, like, thinking about it in terms of, like, this is just one night out of, like, probably 300 plus shows that we'll play. So it's a good idea to, like, take care of my, ankles and legs, and pulling muscles sucks. So it's hard to, like, when you do as many shows as that, to, like, have, like, a sore back or something like that because you didn't stretch enough. It happens. And you're just like, ugh, or sore neck from headbanging.
It's a professional sport.
Yeah, exactly. We look at it as, like, kind of like an athletic type of thing. Maybe not as seriously as someone who plays, like, football or something like that, but try to be on our game as much as possible.